So what exactly do we have inside of this package? A chest mount for a hands-free POV angle recording from your chest. We can also find a head strap for a first-person view perspective when you mount your camera to your head. We can also find a long and short plastic extensions that can be used with other GoPro accessories. So for example, you can use that on your helmet or on your head strap to get that immersive POV angle. We can also find a bike mount that can be used, for example, on a handlebar of your bicycle or perhaps on your motorbike. We can also find a floating hand grip with an adjustable lanyard. And we can also find a backpack clip. So we can clip this accessory to your backpack strap or maybe your belt to get that unique hands-free POV shot. We also have a suction cap mount that can be used to attach your GoPro to a smooth surface. So you can use your camera as a dash cam and you can apply it to the windscreen, the front door glass or any other smooth surface. And there is also a mini tripod with some flexible legs, so you can use it for a time-lapse or as a camera grip. We also have a wrist strap so you can attach your camera to it and take a photo or record a video and still enjoy your activity. We can also find 4 curved and 2 flat adhesive mounts that can be used to attach your GoPro to any flat or curved surface. We also have 4 sticky adhesives with a tether at the end, so you can attach it to your GoPro, and if your main sticky adhesive is gonna fail, this one can be used as a safety precaution so you don't lose your camera. We also have 2 adhesive mounts that can be used to attach your GoPro to a surfboard or a kayak. And we also have anti-fog inserts that can be put inside of your waterproof housing to prevent your lens from fogging. And lots of other accessories such as the J-hook, quick release mount, GoPro adapter, other camera adapter, some extensions and thumb screws. That's a lot, guys. And let's not forget that everything comes in a hardshell travel case so you can store your camera and other accessories and protect it. Additionally, at the very top we have a very big mesh pocket with a zipper on it so we can store our screws and other extensions so we don't lose it or scratch our equipment.